Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for checking me out. I just wanted to show you how in 1 week the snowstorm started. I should say the blizzard started Friday at about 10 o'clock in the morning. It started here, and now it's a week later, Friday. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this area was super hard hit. I'm in downtown Buffalo. I'm at Buffalo Creek Casino. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on over here. So today it's 57 degrees as we speak. There's the Windmills off Lake Erie. That's right in Lackawanna. That's where I do all my plow work at. So, and over here we got the big Labatt Blue grain elevators that they painted in Tall Boys. There's a Ferris wheel behind the Labatt Blue cans. You can't see it. That place is called Riverworks. It's really a happening area. A lot of entertainment going on. This whole area is getting revitalized in Buffalo, New York. Just wanted to show you guys that in 1 week, actually I shouldn't say even less than a week, because Wednesday we got to 40. Yesterday we got to the low 50s. Today's Friday, and it's 57 degrees today, so that's amazing. A week ago this area was totally ground zero. Everybody was getting stuck and nobody could get around. So that's weird how Mother Nature is just coming and making the snow melt so fast. Last month when we got that 5 to 6 feet of snow, it took about a little over 2 weeks to melt all the snow, 2.5 weeks. So Mother Nature, she's a little weird this year. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Have a great day. I'll see everybody soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.